Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do monthly love reading for water sign Scorpio for the month of November. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Scorpio, let's see your first card and your messages for the month of November. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. Okay, the strength, temperance, Ace of Wands. Wow. I think one person in this connection trusting their intuition. Yeah, because temperance means trusting their intuition, and Ace of Wands. Yeah, someone wants new beginnings in this connection, and strength. Yeah, your person could be Leo also. Definitely. I think it could be you. You stand by your power. You are very, very powerful, Scorpio. And temperance. Yeah, you are trusting your intuition. But Ace of Wands, something new is starting in your life. Okay, Ace of Wands, something new is already started or it is going to be started. Ace of Wands, you are very, very passionate about that. It could be career, whatever, in relationship. Definitely you are very, very passionate about that. And yes, you are getting some signals from the angels, because temperance is here, trusting your intuition. Yes, let's see some more. Wow, Eight of Pentacles, Ten of Wands, and Hangman. Yeah, you're working towards your goals. For some you person want to work on this relationship, but I am getting you are working on your goals, towards your goals, because you are very, very see here, you are very, very committed to this. And Ten of Wands. Yeah, due to overwork you are feeling like this, very burden. And Hanged Man. Yeah, you are spiritually awakening. Hanged Man. It could be your person energy, could be vice versa. So let's see some more messages. Ten of Pentacles. Wow. And Four of Wands and Nine of Swords. Yeah, so your work towards Eight of Pentacles to Ten of Pentacles, definitely will get success here, because there is a progress in this. Because 8 to 10 Pentacles, definitely there is progression. And Ten of Wands, Four of Wands. Yeah, you are waiting for your reconciliation and you are waiting for your person. Definitely they will come back to you, because Four of Wands is twin flame card also, 11 and 11. Definitely your person also want this with you. And Nine of Swords, one person in this connection are in depression, anxiety, and thinking. A lot of thinking is going one person in this connection. Let's see some more. Judgment. Okay, the Fool, Queen of Swords. Wow. So Judgment. Yeah, someone is asking second chance, or you made a major decision in your life, or it is not, you are going to make some major decisions. Queen of Swords. Definitely you are very straightforward and very honest. If anybody doesn't give what you deserve, definitely you cut them off with no others, without second thought, because you stand by your power and you are working on yourself. You are working for your career. The Fool. Yeah, you are in this energy. This is very, very positive energy. You are going with the flow. You are going with the flow with life. You are living in the present moment. It could be you or your person energy, could be vice versa, depending upon your situation. So let's see your person current feelings and action, then we will get clarity more. Your person current feelings first. Okay, Strength. Three cards. The Devil and Four of Swords. They are obsessed with you. Definitely your person could be Leo. Your person obsessed with you. And Four of Swords, they are thinking about you a lot, but not taking any action right now, because Four of Swords is taking rest and in meditation states. They are not going make any move right now, because they are in this state. And the devil, your person could be Capricorn also. There is some obsession. You may be obsessed with the person, or I think you person may be obsessed with you. And the strength card is, I think they want to gain their strength back. That's why they are undergoing this state. So yeah, their feelings are there. And your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, lot of earth energy, and Aries, Leo, Sag. Yeah, that's now. So let's pull your person near future actions towards you, Scorpio. Knight of Wands, Judgment. Yeah, they want second chance. I am getting the World. For some, it could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, different countries, different states. Yeah. They are very passionate about you. Definitely, they are very, very passionate about you. Knight of Wands and Judgment. Definitely, they also made some major decision in their life, because 2 Judgment cards are here. So I want one more card for clarification. Why the Judgment is here? And another card. Yeah, they want to offer stability to this connection, and yeah, they are waiting for the right moment. For some, there is separation. For some, there is no contact situation. But now you are working on yourself, your goals, towards your goals. You are in very good energy, Scorpio. Now your person taking rest, and they will back to you after a healing. Definitely, they want to invest on this connection, and they want second chance. And some cycles are going to be end between both of you. It could be your person energy, could be vice versa, depending upon your situation. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. King of Swords, Six of Pentacles, Justice. Your person could be Libra. Queen of Pentacles. So what I am getting here, there is no equal give and take in this connection. Six of Pentacles. Now your person want to balance things between both of you. Justice. Yes, they want second chance. You cut them off because there is no equal give and take. You are very caring and giving person, Scorpio. King of Swords and Queen of Swords. I think you both are stubborn couple. You person also straightforward, or it could be you also. You are very straightforward. But your person wants second chance, and they want to clear things between both of you. Yeah, they want second chance, but it will take time, because your person right now undergoing some spiritual awakening. Four of Swords means they are taking their time to heal whatever happened between both of you. But some communication is happening between both of you, as definitely it will happen in near future. Your person will approach you and ask second chance. It's up to you, Scorpio, to give second chance or not. So let's see your overall energy for the month of November. 8 of Cups. Yeah, you walked away because there is no equal give and take in this connection. 9 of Cups. 6 of Wands. Yeah, you are concentrating on your career to get success in another area of your life, because love is not all about life. So yeah, definitely 9 of Cups, your wishes are going to be granted. After walking away, you see something positive in your life, like in career is whatever. Definitely you will get success wherever you go, because 6 of Wands is 9 of Cups. Your wishes will be granted, Scorpio. Wow, you walked away and you stand by your power. You are working on self. You are working towards your goals. So let's see your person overall energy for the month of November. Knight of Swords, the Lovers. Yeah, 10 of Swords. Some cycles are going to be end between both of you. For some, they're going to, if you want to give second chance with your person, definitely there will be some new beginning, because 10 of Swords is also rebirth. Definitely your person want rebirth in this connection. And Lovers, I think there is no emotional fulfillment in this connection. That's why, Scorpio, you walked away from this connection. But physical intimacy, in past your person maybe want physical intimacy more than emotional fulfillment. That's why you walked away. but your person could be Gemini and Knight of Swords. Some communication, definitely they are rushing towards you. Knight of Swords and Knight of Swords. For one I want to tell one thing also, Knights also, Knight only in and out your life, because Kings are stable, Emperor are stable, but Knights are in and out of life. When they want, they will come. When they don't want, they will go. So if your person want to offer stable offer, it's up to you. So this is the reading for you, Scorpio. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.